If you truly want to build thick, round, and powerful quads that not only stand out under clothes but also give your legs an athletic, sculpted look, then stop wasting time on random leg exercises and focus only on the movements that are proven to grow your quads, and the absolute gold standard 5R, Barbell Front Squat, Barbell Back Squat, Pendulum Squat, Smith Machine Squat, and Leg Extension. Starting with the Barbell Front Squat, this is one of the most effective quad building exercises because it forces your torso to remain upright, putting nearly all the load on your quads, especially the rectus femoris, the central quad muscle that gives that deep teardrop shape above the knee. Most lifters avoid it because it's uncomfortable and challenging, but that difficulty is exactly why it works so well. Next, the Barbell Back Squat acts as the foundation for any quad-focused leg day. This classic exercise allows you to load your legs with heavy weight while maintaining mechanical tension throughout the quads. Position your feet slightly narrow, allow your knees to track forward, and keep your chest upright to shift maximum tension onto your quads rather than your glutes. Lower slowly, control the bottom position, and push through your midfoot as you rise. The depth and control are far more important than the amount of weight on the bar. Done correctly, back squats give your quads thickness, density, and overall power that few other exercises can match. Moving on, the pendulum squat is a machine-based movement designed to give continuous tension to the quads through a full range of motion while reducing stress on the lower back and joints. The unique pendulum path allows your quads to bear the brunt of the load safely and effectively. Keep your feet shoulder width or slightly narrower, lower yourself deep into the squat, and push up in a controlled manner. This exercise is particularly effective for targeting the lower quads and teardrop region, giving your legs both thickness and aesthetic definition that is hard to achieve with free weights alone. Then comes the Smith Machine Squat, which combines the benefits of heavy loading with a safe, guided bar path. This exercise allows you to lean slightly forward, place your feet perfectly, and maintain perfect form even at heavy weights. The Smith Machine Squat isolates the quads exceptionally well and allows you to go close to failure without worrying about balance or stability. Finally, no quad workout is complete without the leg extension, the ultimate isolation movement that hones in on every head of the quadriceps. Slow negatives, strong top squeezes, and full control on each repetition create an unmatched mind-muscle connection, shaping the vastus lateralis, medialis, rectus femoris, and intermedius for complete quad development. This exercise refines your legs, adds definition, and brings out that deep teardrop shape that makes quads look carved. When you combine these 5 exercises in a sequence that emphasizes progressive overload, full range of motion, strict form, and controlled tempo, you're hitting your quads from every angle: the vastus lateralis for outer sweep, the vastus medialis for the teardrop, the rectus femoris for thickness, and the vastus intermedius for overall fullness. Done consistently over weeks and months. This is Bodybuilding India. Like, share, and subscribe for more videos.